In humanitarian news, Denmark donates approximately $110,000 to help flood victims in Cambodia. Save the Children Denmark is a recipient of about $50,000 of the total amount. The nonprofit will use the funds to provide food parcels. Furthermore, guidance will be offered to people who experience health problems as a result of the flood situation. Life with Dignity, which will be given approximately $60,000, will supply a food package also containing water purification necessities and soap to each family. Our sincere appreciation, Denmark, for your generosity. May the gentle people of Cambodia soon return to a calm life on a balanced planet.